Number 4 is ELEGOO Saturn 28K MSLA 3D printer. When unleashing your wildest robotic dreams, the ELEGOO Saturn 28K MSLA 3D printer is the ultimate companion. Prepare to be blown away by its mind-boggling features that will catapult your creations to a new superb level. Imagine a massive 10-inch 8K monochrome LCD screen that brings your robotic parts to life with an explosion of jaw-dropping detail. With an XY resolution so fine, it's like sprinkling magic dust on your models. Each layer cures in a mere blink of an eye, thanks to its lightning-fast 1 to 3 seconds cure time. This beauty offers a larger printing volume, allowing you to craft grander robotic masterpieces, and boasts a Fresnel collimating light source that paints your creations precisely. Its 48 UV LED lights work harmoniously with specialized lenses, guaranteeing accuracy and a smooth-as-silk finish. Oh, did we remember? Brave yourself for ultra-steady movement thanks to the dual linear rails and non-slip leveling screws. Say goodbye to wobbles and hello to remarkable printing performance. The sandblasted build plate ensures your creations stick its garden. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.